What's up, guys? Welcome back to TFD. It has been a long time since I have brought you a fishing video, and I have said that intro probably 5 times in the last few weeks because I can't get on any fish. The water is really high right now, really muddy. So today we're gonna go for some catfish. Hopefully I can at least get some catfish. I have been stinking. That's a lot higher than I thought it was going to be. Like, a lot higher. I was hoping to be able to wade out and get some sunfish or something as bait. Like walk out on the dam. I figured it'd be coming over, but not that much. Man. I have some night crawlers. Not a lot of catfish in this area get caught on night crawlers, but wow, can I even get down there? That's ridiculous. I can't even fish that spot. Man. Really needed this today. Now I'm gonna be grumpy. Alright, let's walk down to the creek. I'm sure that's gonna be just as bad. Maybe we'll just take a walk today and I'll redo that intro once again next week. Wow. Well, I might as well drown a few night crawlers, sit on the edge of this creek. At least I can enjoy that. Well, all of a sudden, this pole just started going. It wasn't even in the ground or anything. And it's only got a little tiny piece of worm on it. Oh, I see what's happened here. He's not actually hooked. There's a big old snapping turtle here. I don't know where I can get down low enough here to help this guy out. And I don't have my net. So this is going to be interesting. Oh crap, and I got a fish over there. Got a snapping turtle between my legs here. And this guy, yep, got a little fish here for bait for the cats. All right, that's a hefty bluegill. Whew, that's a big boy. He's gonna be bait. Now let's try to save this turtle. Been absolutely dead for hours, and now I got all this stuff going on. There you see, it's wrapped around his hand. Nope, don't go under there. How am I gonna help you? Oh, he's hissing at me. Alright, there it goes. I don't know what's going on with this pole. Is that a fish? It better not be the turtle again. It feels like a turtle. What on earth, dude? Yep. It's the turtle. Oh, where's my knife? Don't break my pole, please don't break my pole. I'm trying to help you. And again, if he does break my pole, I'll probably stab myself. Just turn my knife the other way. Oh, come here. Okay, here we go. All right, as close as I can get without you biting me. All right, there you go. Oh, there he goes. Goodness gracious. Turtles. Why? I feel bad. I don't want to hurt the turtles. I love turtles. Everybody loves turtles. Okay. Funny story. So I was walking through all that brush and I ran into the spider web. Shoot. I ran into the spider web. I just had fish break me off. I ran into the spider web and it made me panic a little bit. And I kind of lost my orientation and ended up back down by the river. I was leaving to go home, but now I just had that bite and well. All right, looks like I'm gonna stay here for a second. As you can see, this is not an ideal casting area. This has been just the worst day. Oh, let me go, branches of fishing ever in the world. Oh my gosh, somebody leaves. I don't have a fishing video for you because every day I've gone out has been like this. I just can't catch a break. Well, maybe not this bad, but it's been bad. I'm sweating. Look how much I'm sweating. I'm going through these branches. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna rage quit. Spiders. Spiders. Alright, I've had about enough fun for today. Don't get sick of me. I'm trying. Trying my best. Bye. Thanks for watching. Before I go, I should say one last thing. I know this video was hard to watch. Second one. That's the second one. Another spider web. Anyway, I know this video was hard to watch. I promise you next time will be a great, awesome, epic video of gargantuan fish in multiple numbers. Hopefully I can hold to that. But stick around. Thanks.